Did a software update break the Bib library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Adobe running again. Avoid long manual edits for Bib library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Bib library. The Adobe Bravo Interface Bindings, BIB library, is an unmanaged C++ module that acts as the primary glue between the Adobe core data structures and the visual UI rendering engine. It handles the localized binding of property data to workspace panels, ensuring that changes made in the software's internal state are reflected in the user interface. It is essential for the localized rendering of the toolbar and floating windows in Photoshop. If absent, the application may boot to a blank gray screen or report a Bravo Interface error. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Adobe to repair the core installation and restore the necessary Bib library DLL component. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Bib library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Bib library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for Bib library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Bib library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.